This is the review of the Silvania Headlight Restoration Kit for $21.95 from Amazon. I've got a truck that needs some headlight restoration. I've tried some of the DIY stuff and it just didn't work for me, so I'm going to go for this kit and see how good it works. Okay, this is what comes inside. You get some sandpaper P2000, P400, P1000. You get a cloth, papers, something called clarifying compound, a surface activator, and a UV block clear coat. So that's what comes inside. Alright, this is what the headlight looks like before, and we'll see what it looks like after. And here is the final product. I think it looks pretty dang good if you ask me. So would I recommend this product? Absolutely, with one caution. When you put on that UV block clear coat, you go across horizontal, but you can't go over it again, because as soon as you make that first swipe across, it gets really tacky, and when you try to swipe it a second time, it'll smear. So get it right the first time. So that's the only caution I have around it. Otherwise, I give this thing a 5-star thumbs up.